Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best product reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into an amazing find for anyone looking to elevate their lunch game. Presenting the best silicone containers for lunchbox, the Ziliny 4PC's Silicone Bento Box, reusable lunch container. Imagine a lunch container that not only looks good but also works incredibly well in a variety of settings. Whether you're at the office, on a picnic, or simply storing food at home, these silicone bento boxes are designed to adapt to your culinary needs seamlessly. With 4 vibrant colors to choose from, gray-blue, olive green, brick red, and gray, these containers are as visually appealing as they are practical. Let's talk about the materials. These bento boxes are crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone. This ensures durability and portability while also making them resistant to wear and tear. Unlike traditional plastic containers, silicone is BPA-free and safe for your health, giving you peace of mind with every meal you pack. Plus, they're designed to be leak-proof, so you won't have to worry about spills ruining your bag or lunch experience. What sets these silicone bento boxes apart is their versatility. You can easily use them in the microwave, refrigerator, or dishwasher, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. The smooth surface prevents food from sticking, which means you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Whether you're packing a nutritious salad, some hearty pasta, or even leftovers, these containers can handle it all. Each bento box has a generous capacity of 1,240 milliliters, making them perfect for both individual meals or family-sized portions. The thoughtful design includes compartments that allow you to separate different food items, which is great for those who prefer variety in their meals. The Ziliny set comes with 4 silicone bento boxes, making it perfect for meal prepping for the whole week or packing lunches for the entire family. This convenience allows you to cook in bulk, store multiple meals at once, and easily manage your time during busy weekdays. With an affordable price point of $39.99, you're not just getting quality, but also great value. In summary, if you're looking for an innovative solution for your lunch storage needs, the Ziliny silicone bento boxes are a fantastic choice. With their high-quality materials, versatile uses, and beautiful design, they stand out as the best silicone containers for lunchboxes on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. Until next time, happy meal prepping.